Okay, so 2 days ago, we rescued a baby killdeer. It was an unhatched egg. Almost got taken by a predator. We don't know if it's a fox or a raccoon. Do you want to tell the story, Chase? Go ahead.
What day was it?
This was 2 days ago.
2 days ago,
The baby started hatching.
the baby started to hatch.
There was 4 eggs.
There were 4 eggs, and then, our cat came.
One of our cats. I don't.
Wait, did she kill
She
him?
didn't kill him, but she had it in her mouth.
She had it in her mouth.
And then a couple hours later came the predator.
And then a couple hours later, a predator came, and then it just ran down our driveway.
And left, right. But it kills one of the...
killdeers.
Yes.
It killed one of the baby killdeers.
And I don't know what happened to one of the eggs, but the only thing that was left...
And it cracked a little, thing on the, egg.
Right. And then the next morning we came back and found 1 egg left over. And it was cold, but it was actually squeaking. We could hear him squeaking in there, so...
And they also
They're
have
so
very
cute.
long
They
legs.
look like little sandpipers.
And they also have very long legs.
Yeah, they do, and they can run really fast, can't they?
Yeah, and they...
Oh, careful, don't let them. Yeah, don't let them
And
jump out. Good job.
And then Mama, when someone got close to their eggs, their Mama was pretending that they had broken wings.
Oh, yeah, she did the broken wing thing, didn't she?
Pretended that she had a broken wing.
To distract us from...
To distract the predator from the things, and then after the predator seen them, she just ran
Uh-huh.
very fast wherever
Man,
she
the
wants to
goats
go.
really made this place a mess.
Yeah, did.
Chase, can you put the ladder up, please? Okay, so now I'm gonna try to feed her again.
Mom, can I put crushed up little ones in it?
No. No, because I had to make like a paste for it. Chase, stop, honey. Don't sprinkle it. Chase, please don't waste those. They're actually really expensive. Well, what are you doing with them? Okay, so I hold the head down. I have to hold her head down and pry the beak open. It's actually kind of hard doing this from perspective. And push the food in. Actually down into her throat. Well, not real far, just like towards actually the back of her mouth. And then I wait for her to swallow it. It's really hard trying to show you and do it because I usually turn her like this so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, so that's in there, and then I wait for her to swallow. I'm using, this is something that's actually used for nails, doing nails. Of course it's clean. But I'm using the flat part as almost like a spoon and the tip to pry her beak open, so. I just fed her not that long ago, so she might not be that hungry. And I feed her about every hour, every hour or 2 hours, and I just give her like 4 to 5 little pieces. Now, when I first got her, I did crushed earthworms that we found in our yard, but they got really stinky. And then I did crushed potato bugs, tickle bugs, roly-polies, whatever you want to call them. But they had like a tough shell, kind of. So I like the mealworms, plus I don't have to go hunt them down. Got the bag of mealworms from Tractor Supply. They were like, not very expensive, like under $10, $6, but they're only expensive if you're feeding them to a flock of chickens because they'll eat it up real quick. So yeah, here's a little baby killdeer, very cute. He makes his call a lot. I think he's calling for his mommy. I'm sorry.
Mom, let me eat this again.
Go ahead. Tell him what it tastes like. If you want to eat it, tell him what it tastes like. What does it taste like? The bag of mealworms kind of smells like a bag of nuts. Look into the camera. Did you just eat that? Was it good?
No.
No.
It kind of tastes like nuts that have a whole bunch of sugar all over them.
You don't like it, huh? Say bye.